The debate is now growing over whether the women's age of marriage should have been raised to 21 to match that of men or not. But listen to the stakeholders that really matter: young women who escaped being married off as children.
22-year-old Chhota Chaudhary is now studying for the Rajasthan Government Services exam. She was married off when she was just 14 years old. After a long legal battle, she got her marriage annulled in March this year. Without the support of her parents, who were worried they would be socially ostracized, it's been a lonely battle for Chhota. And while describing her ordeal, she says she's happy with the government's decision to raise the age for marriage.
मैं 14 साल की थी तब मेरा बाल विवाह कर दिया गया था और समाज के और परिवार के दबाव से मेरा बाल विवाह हो गया था। और जब मैं पढ़ने के लिए जाती थी तो मेरे ससुराल वाले के पक्ष तरफ से मुझे पढ़ने के लिए मना कर रहे थे और मेरे परिवार वाले बोल रहे थे अभी ये पढ़ रही है।
It's a similar story with 21-year-old Sandhya. She was just 16 when her father decided to get her married. On her complaint, NDTV went to child rights activists and saved her from becoming a child bride 5 years ago. A year later, she topped her class 11 exams and today she's studying for an MBA.
The legal age of the women in India should be 21. I am also one of the girl who escaped from the child marriage at the age of the 16. I love this proposal so that a girl can educate by herself and she can think wisely and her decisions can be independent. At the age of 21, her maturity levels will be increased.
According to the National Family Health Survey's latest figures, the percentage of child marriage in India has declined from 27% to 23%. But it's still alarmingly high, as the number of child marriages, especially in rural areas, go unreported. But scholars and activists have also argued against increasing the age of marriage to 21. They say, even though the age of marriage was fixed at 18 in 1978, about 30% of women were married off before they were 18. Bringing in a law would deny protection of rights to young women who marry before 21. Critics also say the state should not dictate when a woman should marry, and it is an attempt to control her sexuality. They say what helps is awareness, education and a supportive environment, and point out that if you have the right to vote at 18, why not the right to marry?
We have been as abysmally, problematic in terms of controlling marriages even below the age of 18. Reason of actually increasing it to 21, to my mind, can be very counterproductive.
But others like Zeenat Shaukat, a known voice of reform in Islam, says it's a step in the right direction.
Especially in a country like India, where we have been used to child marriages, early marriages, I think it gives you maturity and it gives you discretion.
The government has also linked underage marriages to a higher infant and maternal mortality rate. And a step towards addressing all these issues is to hope that women will marry when they are adult enough to take decisions about their reproductive rights. NDTV Bureau Report.